Maajid Nawaz. I'm sure the Uyghurs in the diaspora have heard of him, especially over his video uploaded to Leading Britain's Conversation on July 4th. Mr. Nawaz has been bringing awareness about the genocide happening in East Turkestan. Currently, there are up to 3 million innocent Uyghurs in concentration camps. The Uyghurs in East Turkestan are facing a genocide from China. China also happens to be one of the largest economic powers in the world. With this being said, we have yet to see any action from the other countries around the world, which disheartens our Uyghur community greatly. However, Mr. Nawaz has taken a different approach. As the situation in East Turkestan worsens, we need more urgent action. To achieve this, Mr. Nawaz has gone on a hunger strike, an eating strike. This strike started on the 15th of July, which would make today the 6th day. However, his goal of having the UK government address and recognize the genocide happening in East Turkestan by having over 100,000 signatures from UK citizens on a petition was achieved and overpassed on Sunday. Which this means that the UK government must debate and recognize this issue. Having an official government recognize and call out the Chinese government for their actions can lead to great change. To Mr. Nawaz, thank you for taking such a great leap for our cause. To the Uyghurs in the diaspora, please support him and his news podcasts on his journey to show the UK that we appreciate this. Thank you.